Are heat pumps expensive to run? Factors affecting the cost of heat pumps include the spark gap or spark spread, which refers to the differential between the market price of electricity from a wholesale perspective and the cost of producing that electricity using natural gas. The spark gap impacts the units of heat produced by electricity in four main ways. Dependency on gas for electricity generation. A large volume of the UK's electricity is still generated by using natural gas. Therefore, when gas prices rise, the cost of generating electricity also increases. Infrastructure and grid costs. Heavy investment in upgrading the UK energy infrastructure to support renewable energy sources have resulted in energy prices rising. Renewable energy integration. Renewable energy sources are projected to lower operating costs. However, they require substantial upfront initial investments and grid balancing technology. These operational and startup costs are contributing to higher electricity prices. Carbon pricing. The UK has a carbon pricing model to reduce carbon emissions. The costs of this mechanism results in consumers' costs for electricity rising. Another factor that can affect the cost of heat pumps is installation. Firstly, the installation costs can vary depending on the type of system, the annual heat demand, and regional installation costs. While it may seem high compared to traditional heating systems, it is important to consider the long-term energy and carbon emission savings. Annual running costs include electricity consumption and maintenance expenses. The greater the COP, the lower the running costs. Operational costs can increase in colder climates depending on seasonal performance. Efficiency ratings differ in cold temperatures, potentially requiring supplementary heat sources. One of the primary factors affecting the running cost is the climate. In geographical locations with less severe winter periods, the technology can operate more efficiently, leading to lower electricity costs. The type of heat pump also plays a role. A properly sized unit is crucial for efficiency, as an undersized system will have to work harder to maintain the temperature, and an oversized system leads to energy waste and wear and tear. Building fabrics such as loft insulation and cavity wall insulation are important in preventing heat loss. Well-insulated buildings will retain heat more effectively, reducing the workload on the system. To conclude, whether heat pumps are expensive to run is reliant on various factors, including upfront costs, energy efficiency, climatic patterns, the type of heat pump deployed, and annual energy demand. While the upfront investment of heat pumps is often much higher than traditional heating systems, the lower long-term costs and carbon savings often outweigh these initial costs. Ultimately, heat pumps represent a sustainable and efficient solution for heating, cooling, and hot water projects. To receive the latest information on renewable technologies, legislation, and best practice, sign up to our free newsletter today through our website or by simply scanning the QR code.